So welcome to the CME program. Today we are conducting CME program on recent advances in liver surgery. Eminent speaker and I am a president of the CME.
Welcome to this CME after a long time. Now we have an eminent speaker, eminent surgical gastroenterologist and hepatic transplant surgeon, Dr. R.V. Raghavendra Rao. The incidence of liver diseases is going up every year. Similarly, the hepatic transplantation, need for hepatic transplantation is increasing. They have established hepatic transplant centers in Hyderabad and doing very good service and most successfully. Dr. Raghavendra Rao did many hepatic transplants successfully and is going to address us about recent advances in hepatic surgery. Now I request our treasurer, Dr. Rashid Ali, to introduce today's.
Good evening, everybody. R.V. Raghavendra Rao is a senior consultant surgical gastroenterologist and liver transplant surgeon. He is a director at National Institute of Gastroenterology and Liver Diseases at Hyderabad. And Dr. Raghavendra Rao is a graduate from Usmania Medical College, and he did his MS General Surgery also at Usmania Hospital. And he got training in surgical gastroenterology from the prestigious Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences, that is SGPGI at Lucknow. He has received fellowship training at Seoul National University Hospital at South Korea to specialize in liver surgery and liver transplantation. Although Dr. Rao specializes in liver transplantation, liver surgery and biliary surgery, he is a general surgical gastroenterologist skilled in complex abdominal surgeries, abdominal trauma and critical care. Dr. Rao has presented many acclaimed papers across the globe. He was awarded the Young Investigator Abstract Award at the 11th ISDS Convention at Hong Kong in the year 2002 and received the Best Paper Award at 18th UEGW at Spain. He was granted travel grant and citation at IRCAD at Strasbourg, France. He was awarded with the Best Paper Award and Gold Medal by Indian Association of Surgical Gastroenterology. And Dr. Rai is an active member of Association of Surgeons of India and Indian Association of Surgical Gastroenterology. He is elected for second term to the Executive Council of Indian Association of Surgical Gastroenterologists for the year 2014 to 2016. He is also on the panel for DNB examiners and takes keen interest in graduate and postgraduate teachings. It is indeed our honor to be with him today evening. So we welcome you, sir, and I think everybody is keen to hear you today.
At that time. So average cost of liver transplantation, as you would know, is about 20-25 lakhs. We were doing at 14 lakhs. That is a kind of the association and the care we give, concern we show towards the patients. So I once again request all of you to bless us, to support us in this NIGL hospital success. With that brief introduction, I'll move on to my today's presentation. Basically, I'm going to take you through the principles of liver surgery and what can be done, what should be done, when it should be done, when you can refer your patients, when you can take care of your patients at your own place. All these few basics only I will touch upon, and also towards the end I will give you some of the recent cases we have managed successfully at NAGL. So to begin with, refer the patient to a specialist, whether it is in your own place or in your town or outside the town, you refer the patient to a specialist. If the patient has a MELD score of less than 14, you are safe to manage these patients. For any problem, you can evaluate them, you have time, then depending on the problem, you can refer or you can treat for yourself. So the MELD scoring is very, very important thing. I request all of you to download the MELD score from internet. It takes hardly a minute. Just type MELD score in Google, you will get the MELD calculator. In the MELD calculator, any patient who comes to you with liver problem, be it anything, be it a simple viral hepatitis, hepatitis A viral hepatitis, or a hepatitis B viral hepatitis, or a alcoholic cirrhosis, or a hepatocellular carcinoma, for anybody, you just calculate the MELD score, you will get a good assessment of the liver, and you can take decisions based on the MELD scoring. For liver resections, we go a step further and do what is known as a CT volumetry. This is a complicated computerized technique where you calculate the volume of the liver of the FLR, that is the future liver remnant, which is going to stay back after the liver resection. And depending on the MELD score, a combination of MELD score, Child-Pugh score, ICG score, and the CT volumetry, we come to a conclusion whether this particular liver is going to sustain or give support to the body in the post-operative period or not. This is the most important. Sustainability of the patient in the post-operative period. If you are satisfied with this, then the pre-operative assessment selection of the cases. So this is the most important thing which we have already discussed. Regarding the technique, it is a standard technique for anybody, any general surgeon who is doing amputation, is doing here we are doing the liver amputation. Instead of a knee limb amputation, we are doing a liver amputation. This is simply the extension of the technique of amputation for liver resection. As I will show you, come on.
Now I would like to request our IMA National Vice President Dr. Ravindra Reddy sir and IMA Telangana State President Dr. Lavkumar Reddy sir, please come on to the dais and hand our memento to our speaker.
President-elect Dr. B.N. Rao garu, Vice President Dr. P. Kishan, our big brother, National Vice President-elect, our Vice President-elect Dr. Kavita Reddy, FBS Chairman Dr. Jagan Mohan Rao garu, members and our colleagues. During this COVID period, many awareness programs have been necessary. Now, I request all of you, appeal to the members to attend the state conference which is going to happen next month, and I request you to actively participate in that. Now, I request our State President Raghukumar Reddy garu, along with other dignitaries on the dais, to take part in lighting the lamp.
अरे बंद చేసి గన్నన్ ముందర వెళ్ళిపోతాయి సీరియస్ ఉంది
Pediatrics Association, ENT, Gynec Association, now the Nizamabad NOSA, Nizamabad Orthopedic Surgeons Association, they are donating rupees 2 lakh check from their conference. Now I request the R&D Committee Chairman, Secretary and others to come and present it in front of our State President.
Illness. We motivated many doctors to take membership. We raised 15 members in FBS scheme, and we have joined new 20 IMA members this month. We planted trees around IMA hall, make it green IMA. Many of our IMA members made donations to IMA hall and appreciate their gestures. We received national awards for the contribution we made and got due to recognition for our services on national platform. We have received 3 national awards this year. And we received Best Doctors Award on this occasion of Doctors Day. Thank you, Lokumar Reddy sir, for giving us awards. And we received awards from District Collector for 2 consecutive times. We conducted many CME programs regularly to update our doctors. We conducted IMA and in association with Indian Psychiatric Society, we have conducted South Zone midterm CME involving 5 South states with a staggering attendance. At every stage, I had full cooperation from our local president and state president. I especially than our state president, Dr. Lokumar Reddy sir, Dr. B.N. Rao sir, and Kishan sir, Jagan Mohan Rao sir, and Dr. Ravindra Reddy sir for coming all the way, Dr. Alim sir, and all the way to Nizamabad and monitoring our activities on a personal note, guiding us in every possible way and contributing to growth of our local branch. Sir, you are truly inspiring for young doctors like us. I am really overjoyed with your presence tonight and being associated with you in this journey. I feel it's my privilege. Thank you one and all for cooperating with.
And the Secretary, Vishal, he is also benefit scheme. It will generate funds and contribution. At the same time, IMA state office also were helping in the other way. So it is very important to join in the enroll into the scheme. And nowadays schemes are doing very well. Even NPS, family security scheme, whether it is BPW scheme, on par with health insurance also. All are doing well, already enrolling many members. So each scheme, FSS, FBS, on par, about nearby 3,000 membership is there. We are having good corpus fund also, so nothing to worry. It is definitely compensate any, even now, the ABS disbursement of the 2.7 crores already. Same time, FS is also 6 crores they disbursed already for the deceased families. So please.
Today to the Nizamabad branch, and Nizamabad, I think it is the second largest after Karimnagar. Karimnagar, just now Dr. Kishan sir was telling they have 700 change. I think Nizamabad has 400 change, 350. So we will make it more than that. 400 change we must make, because there are so many members who have not become, they have not joined the IMA. I wish, I congratulate Jeevan Rao sir and Vishal for really doing the overwhelming work for the past 2 COVID years. I think nobody could have done such a marvelous job as Dr. Vishal and Jeevan Rao sir has done. And I thank all the members who have really attended in large numbers today to show the unity of IMA Nizamabad, and I hope this will continue in the next coming years also. And I congratulate our women doctors wing president, chairperson, Dr. Sandhya Rani madam. She has done a wonderful and a marvelous job. I don't think anywhere in any branch in India have done this job. She has conducted sports meet for almost more than 10 days. I think it is in an Olympic level she has done it. I congratulate you, madam, and all the women doctors who have really participated in this job. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.
About state, Prastham, our Telangana state after formation of, so lot of things developing, manchi DME charu, manchi chairman, manchi IMA Telangana state branch since last 4-5 years. Wonderful activities jarugutunnayi, chaala development jarugutundi. And schemes lo gaani, fundraising lo gaani, membership lo gaani. So we are crossing 17,000 membership now, and there is a good atmosphere created by Ravindra Reddy Bhaiya and other presidents from Telangana after formation of Telangana state. And I am very thankful to Lav Kumar Reddy sir. This year is a remarkable year for me and for the Telangana state branch, and he has given freedom to all, secret of success of all, most of the activities. Sir has given opportunity for leader, automatically encourages other youngsters to become a leader. That is I have seen in our, same thing I have seen in last presidents I am observing of Telangana. The atmosphere completely changed, and I think why I am talking here, so many young leaders are able to see in the Nizamabad branch. This should be taken, and we should work for the whole Telangana state, all in different domains, schemes, membership and other activities. Second thing, and also as given in time publication of Medi Bulletin to convey the all members should receive the information, that is the motto of Medi Bulletin, and academic activities to improve to, that is a journal. I think Andhra Pradesh not yet have journal now, but Telangana is having journal. Try to encourage the journal by giving funding, and we are trying to put a pool of journal fund by collecting money from advertisements that will take care for future generations. Future editors may not be as rich, may not be a good practitioners. So that's why we want to conceptualizing a fund for the journal. So with this few ideas, I'm thankful to our senior leaders here who came all the way from Nizamabad to the general conference, recent general conference, Karimnagar, Kavita and Ravindra Reddy Bhaiya. Ravindra Bhai is good enough to sanction 2 credit points. We are distributing the certificates, and shortly your secretary will get all certificates for our participants. And one more point about Vishal and Niyambad branch. My good compliments and well wishes to the Vishal always. Is already growing in South and national level in IPS. And this is the, I want to put him as, he is having energy, moving energy. Very difficult to, I have seen a lot of IMA members, to come to the IMA meetings, very difficult. After meetings, they will not stay completely. And participating in deliberations of executive committee and general body, these are very important for the young leadership. I think I am able to see a good leader in Vishal, and under guidance of Jeevan Rao. He is also having one more good quality, listening to elders. Vishal, if he listens, he will continue that attitude, listening.
Fire అంటేనే మీకు వాడికి ఎంతో సమర్పయామి. అలాంటిది నేషనల్ ఐఎంఏ is fighting with the government to solve the problem with the one part. Second part, also regarding the pollution control board, STP plant పెట్టడం ఇవన్నీ 20 lakhs కూడుతున్న పనులు నేషనల్ ఐఎంఏ దాని వరకు గవర్నమెంట్తో గట్టిగానే ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేస్తుంది. ఇలాంటి ఎన్నో ముచ్చట్లు మనకు మామూలుగా దొరకవు కనుక we want that as a GO order from the Union Ministry, but that was only applicable to COVID patients. But government is trying, and national IMA is trying, also trying to see that consumer forum, we are out of it. Still there is a confusion. We are thinking that we are out of the CPA, but there is some lacunae there. So national IMA is fighting for that. And coming to Telangana State Medical Council, we are going online probably after 1 month or 2 months. Nobody need to come to Medical Council for registration, renewal, provisional, permanent, good standing, NOC, whatever. It is online, payment gate is there. You can sit at home, send your applications and get it done. ఎందుకంటే మాకు ఆఫీస్కి వచ్చి ఇప్పుడు బాంబే that will be, so we are very serious about it, probably a month or 1.5 months. And with these few words, I welcome our dynamic president, Dr. Kumar Reddy, who has taken the pains. He has toured almost all the branches, and after a long time, we have seen somebody going around. ఎప్పుడో ఒక 20 years back, 25 years back, combined set ఉన్నప్పుడు పెద్దలందరికీ ఏమి జీవన్ రావు గారికి థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్తున్నాను. అండ్ బిఎన్ రావు గారు ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఎలెక్ట్, ఎస్ కమ్ ఆల్ ద వే. ఐ వెల్కమ్ యూ డాక్టర్ బిఎన్ రావు, డాక్టర్ జగనన్న, Dr. Kishan Bhaiya, the Vice President, we have come from Karimnagar, and Dr. Alim sir. Alim is very active member. ekkade edunna IMA pani podamante Alim garu vastaru. Alim garu please stand up. He is a wonderful BBF. ekkada pakkakunna vijayam jarugutadi Alim garto. Chaala manchi nayakudu. అసలు వారు మాట్లాడాలి, తెలుగు బాగా మాట్లాడతారు. వాడు మాట్లాడాలంటే టైం లేదని అనుకుంటున్నారు. మా బిఆర్ఓ సార్ మాట్లాడతారు, ఎందుకు ఇలా ఏమైనా రిగ్రెట్ చేస్తున్నారు.
State body district in Nizamabad. Let me first really, I would like to really congratulate Dr. Jeevan Rao for having such a dynamic secretary, Dr. Vishal, in the name of Vishal. Sometimes he is overactive also, it seems. Because we keep seeing all the activities almost day by day or every day, alternate day. In the state groups and the papers, but really is doing a commendable job. That way actually Jeevan Rao is really lucky enough to have such a very hardworking and enthusiastic. I wish that all the secretaries of all the branches in Telangana are like him. I think that is the best compliment ever I can give to Secretary Dr. Shah. And Nizamabad is really, IMA is really lucky to have such leaders like Dr. Kavita Reddy, and then wonderful person, my mentor, not only your mentors but my mentor, Dr. Ravindra Reddy garu. Otherwise, a very calm, lethargic IMA in a way. In order to, I think a president is supposed to visit all the branches. Now that will actually encourage the branches and the members in the activities. IMA ఒకటి చెప్పాల్సింది ఏంటంటే is really becoming very active, as Dr. Kishan said, and is becoming a quality change has come in the IMA right from the state to the branches. ఒకటి ఏంటంటే as we become seniors, as we get as we go to the state, we have to give a space to the youngsters. This month, this September being the month of elections in all branches, I request that let outgoing body encourage the youngsters. At least half of the seniors, half of the remaining half should be the youngsters. ఇకపోతే ఏంటంటే youngest, new generation should not get the impression that IMA is only meant for cocktail parties or for these boring lectures. No, IMA is very, very important. Actually, first time I was so much surprised myself. 30 years తర్వాత settlement రావడం, when you start the practice and then suddenly something happens, then you will have the missing. అంటే ఎంత పెయిన్ఫుల్ ఉంటుందంటే, particularly I observed among the youngsters, they really get fed up and then they succumb to all shortcuts. అందరికంటే ఎక్కువ హరాస్మెంట్ ఇప్పుడు ఎవరి దగ్గర నుంచి ఉందంటే మన డాక్టర్స్ ఫ్రెటర్నిటీకి ఫ్రమ్ ద క్వాక్స్. సో క్వాక్స్ అనేది వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఆస్పెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద IMA దట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు. ఇదొకటి. రెండవది ఏంటంటే IMA వీ హ్యావ్ టు మేక్ ఇట్ స్ట్రాంగ్. ప్రెసిడెంట్ గారు, ఆన్ దిస్ అకేషన్ ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ యూ సీ దట్ all Thana IMA, they all come under only IMA. We should not allow any parallel organization that is undermining IMA, whether it is HRD, whatever it is. We have to, mercilessly we have to cut them off. And MCA chairman garu oka request ఏంటంటే, the problem is he is too soft man, he's a too good man. So that's the reason people take him for granted. No, I again request Dr. Ravindra Reddy garu, MCA chairman, to be little more tough. Of course, you are definitely friendly to the doctors and it is must, and that we appreciate. Doesn't mean that you should be too friendly. ఒక ఎథికల్ ప్రాక్టీస్ కూడా మెయింటైన్ చేయండి. క్వాక్స్ మీద కూడా మీరు ప్లీజ్ దయచేసి ఇంట్రెస్ట్ తీసుకోండి. దట్ ఈస్ అ వన్ ఓన్లీ దట్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ టూ గుడ్నెస్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ టేకింగ్ ఫర్ గ్రాంటెడ్. ఇంకా
be associated with you this evening with such a wonderful branch, and more importantly this year I have been observing it needs lot of patience to go through all the activities conducted by IMA Nizamabad under the leadership of Jeevan Rao garu and Vishal. It's a wonderful combination, and let me congratulate, compliment them and all the fine members of IMA Nizamabad branch. I know that I can't afford to take much of your time after an exhaustive session after Dr. Raghavendra Rao garu have been here since. So I will cut short this thing for a few minutes. Coming to our said mentor, iconic, so on, so he deserves everything. Dr. Ravindra Reddy we have been contemporaries for the past 40-50 years. And he is a great asset, not merely to Nizamabad, but to the entire medical fraternity of Telangana in particular. Be it as a president of Thana, be it as a president of IMA, state IMA president, or be it the Telangana State Medical Council. Now he is going to perform his duties as the national vice president of IMA. We are sure that he is going to do miracles with all our support. And coming to Dr. P.N. Rao garu, yes, he is also a very big asset to us. Be it the protocol, be it our wonderful suggestions. Whenever somebody seeks his cooperation, guidance, he is always ready to help them. Coming to Dr. Kishan, and in this serious session, with his permission, let me bring out a small joke on psychiatry, if you permit. Either lay people like me, సైకియాట్రీ అంటే ఏముంది, జస్ట్ యాంగ్జైటీ, న్యూరోసిస్ అండ్ డిప్రెషన్ 2 రకాలు కదా. యాంగ్జైటీ న్యూరోసిస్ పేషెంట్స్ అదే డెల్యూషన్స్ ఆఫ్ గ్రాండియర్ ఏమంటారు కదా మీరు, వాళ్ళు ఏముంది, దే విల్ బిల్డ్ క్యాసల్స్ ఇన్ ద ఎయిర్. అండ్ డిప్రెషన్ పేషెంట్స్ నెల పోయి ఆ కిరాయిలు వసూలు చేసుకుంటారు, వాళ్ళు కట్టే ఇది ఉండదు డిప్రెషన్ కాబట్టి. అట్లా in the lighter vein, they have proved that psychiatry is much more deeper than what we think. Vishal ikkada Karimnagar lo gone through the newspapers and also the following in the WhatsApp group. But the suicide, till that time I didn't know that there is a suicide prevention day. Then they have blown up to such an extent, we thought it is the need of the hour. Because of the several behavioral problems day in and day out. So let me congratulate for both of them for doing a wonderful job as regards this behavioral problems also. And as regards the IMA activities, I think some of the points have been touched by our Dr. Ravindra Reddy Garu, be it mixopathy, be it violence on doctors. IMM Nizamabad has been doing a marvelous job. I mean, be it on par with the other branches or even higher than beyond our expectations in some of the activities. And as regards the membership growth, we have registered a growth of nearly 700 members so far. Yes, naturally, once we visit physically the branches, we are seeing the difference. And we could extend this year so far 5 branches, and today even Bhaisa branch has become a reality. We have been following it up for the past 2 or 3 weeks, and with the help of my good friend Dr. Rajeshwar Rao and Dr. Chakradhari and Dr. Ramakrishna of Nirmal, we could make it a reality. Even the members over there were very enthusiastic, and it has become a reality today. 6 branches and 2 more branches are in the pipeline. And recently, it has come up in such a wonderful manner. I think let's give a big hand to him. He single-handedly has done it, and a few hard copies are still, I brought them. And my request to the leaders, Jeevan Rao Garu and Vishal Garu, to update the members list with mobile number and also email ID, because he is making available on the online, all the 17,000 members. So his second edition is going to be released on 31st October. The state conference, the 5th state conference is going to be held on 30th virtual mode with the exclusive CME programs, and 31st hybrid mode with on one side academic sessions and CME programs, on the other side there will be a business session, physical. And in the evening, we are planning for a inaugural session and installation function, wherein Dr. Sampath Rao Garu is going to take charge from me as the new president. And most likely our Excellency, the Governor of Telangana, may be the chief guest. So we request all of you to register online, so that is free. Only those who want to attend the inaugural session physically, I think they are going to fix some delegate fee. As regards the schemes, I think our Dr. Jeevan Rao Garu and Dr. Vishal, they are fully aware of the schemes, and I only appeal. And let me compliment them for enrolling so many of our new members and also enrollment into the schemes also. I only appeal to you to take advantage of all those schemes. We are bringing many member-friendly amendments in those schemes. The recent one being, after paying for 30 years, I think the time launched, the FBS scheme launch was way back in the year 1990. I think we have completed 30 years. We are giving the option to not to pay after 30 years. Once they have to send a letter to the FBS office. Once they say that no, I don't want to pay anymore, so the scheme will take care of the further payments, and maybe after our demise, the bereaved family, while paying it, they will deduct that amount and pay it back to the, or from the 9 lakhs. Even FSS, we are going to bring in many member-friendly reforms, amendments, and avail the complementary health scheme also. Whoever is a member of any scheme, they are entitled for the free health scheme, starting from 1 lakh to 5 lakhs, depending upon your membership. So that if you want a coverage of 5 lakhs, I think they will squeeze, other private companies squeeze not less than 30,000-40,000 per year. I think it's complementary because it's our own money. The money being saved, instead of paying to the income tax department as advised by the auditor, we are circulating that money within ourselves and the and the member welfare this thing clause. So please avail all those schemes and be a member of at least 1 or 2 schemes. And with this, I think anything else? Any clarifications? So any clarifications as regards the transfer issue? I think Dr. And the third day he rang me that I am through, sir, I got my transfer certificate. So things are not the same even at the national headquarters. Everything has changed. So even if a member is enrolled, within 10 days they are going to get the membership. So such is the situation there. Any membership issues, any clarification regarding the schemes, we are here to answer. And my respects, my compliments to Dr. Srihari Garu, Dr. Vinod Kumar Gupta Garu. Some of our intimate friends are here.
Vice President-elect Dr. B.N. Rao sir gariki, Vice President Dr. Kishan sir gariki, మరియు FBS Chairman Dr. Jagan Mohan Rao sir ki, and Vice President elect Dr. Kavita Reddy Madam, and Ravindra Reddy sir, and Dr. Alim sir, and ఇక్కడికి ఇచ్చేసిన సీనియర్ డాక్టర్స్ మరియు ఐఎంఏ మెంబర్స్ అందరికీ థ్యాంక్స్. ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి ఇచ్చేసిన మన రినోవా ఎన్ఐజిఎల్ హాస్పిటల్ డైరెక్టర్ అండ్ స్పీకర్ డాక్టర్ రాఘవేందర్ సార్ గారికి మరియు హాస్పిటల్ మేనేజ్మెంట్కు వాళ్ళందరూ చాలా చక్కటి అరేంజ్మెంట్ చేసి ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ సక్సెస్ చేయగలిగారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. అండ్ ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో ఇచ్చేసిన మన మీడియా ఎస్పెషల్లీ భారతి డిజిటల్స్ అండ్ K6 మరియు అదర్ ప్రింట్ అండ్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ మీడియా వారికి, మరియు ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి మా ఆడియో విజువల్స్ ఏర్పాటు చేసిన మరియు తర్వాత ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి ఏసీ టెక్నీషియన్స్కు, జనరేటర్ సరైన సమయంలో అరేంజ్ చేసిన వాళ్ళకు, ఎలక్ట్రీషియన్స్కు, తర్వాత బిల్డింగ్ కమిటీ అండ్ ఆల్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ కౌన్సిల్ మెంబర్స్ అండ్ మా ఐఎంఏ ఆఫీస్ బేరర్స్ వైస్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ డాక్టర్ రాజేష్ సార్, ద్వారకాదేవి మేడం, ప్రెసిడెంట్ డాక్టర్ రషీద్ సార్ అండ్ జాయింట్ సెక్రటరీ హరీష్, ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ కౌన్సిల్ మెంబర్స్ అందరికీ పేరు పేరు